ready to dig? Ready! Watch out! Roller skate! I wonder where the other one is.
Eureka!
I found something. Me too. I think I found a pirate coin. That's not a pirate coin, Maya. It's something better. It is? Yes, it's an old bottle cap. Oh. And this looks like a twig. Yes, definitely a twig. I wonder what else is buried here. Back to digging, team.
It looks like a new Doggy Go archaeologist has joined the dig.
Hey!
Could Doggy Go have made an ancient discovery?
What have you got there, Doggy Go? A dinosaur bone? In my garden? No way! Dada, come look! We found a dinosaur bone. Huh?
I think you found what Doggy Go's been looking for. His chew toy.
Oh. Go get it, boy.
Fetch, Doggy Go, fetch! What else has Doggy Go found buried in that hole?
Maybe this is a...
Hammer! I was wondering where my hammer was. Oh, looks like there's something else in there.
Oh, what could it be?
Finally, an ancient artifact.
An ancient roller skate?
Well, I have been looking for this missing roller skate for a long time.
Haha, no rest for Doggy Go.
And I may not have found any dinosaur bones, but I have my very own Digosaurus.